What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best travel tote bag UK of this year. Through extensive research and testing I've put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. MORHUA Nylon Large Lightweight. Lastly, we have the MORHUA tote bag, which is famously known for its versatility and functional design for everyday use. It is available in more than 7 different colors and patterns. You will find one that fits your style and fashion sense. This casual tote bag is great for daily use. A MORHUA Nylon Large Lightweight Travel Tote Bag is perfect for carrying your belongings while you're on the go. It's lightweight, so you can easily carry it with you wherever you go. The tote bag has a variety of pockets and compartments, so you can store everything that you need while you're on your travels. The travel tote bag is perfect for everyday use. The bag is made of high-quality nylon material which makes it durable and lightweight. It features a spacious main compartment and 2 side pockets for storage. The tote bag is also roomy enough to carry a laptop or other essential items. It is perfect for travel, as it is easy to carry and can be easily stored in a suitcase when not in use. This tote bag is constructed from top-quality nylon, which makes it lightweight and durable. The inner of the bag is lined with polyester fabric, which prevents wetting on the inside of the bag. The bag features a main zippered compartment front pocket along with 2 side slip pockets on the exterior, while the interior comprises 2 open pockets and a zippered pocket. The straps of the bag are strongly made and sewn, therefore not easily broken. Number 2. SPEEDEVE Clear Tote Bag. This SPEEDEVE Clear Tote Bag is specifically designed for security-checked events, and should be your one-number essential when going to such places. If you're looking for a stylish and practical tote bag that can handle whatever your day throws at it, then the SPEEDEVE Clear Tote Bag is perfect for you. This bag is made from durable and resistant polyester and features a spacious interior and a reinforced bottom for extra stability. Plus, it comes in a variety of colors to fit your unique style. So why wait? Add the SPEEDEVE Clear Tote Bag to your shopping cart today. The bag is a perfect square-shaped bag with enough height and space to store a digital camera, wallet, hat, and other necessities. The bag is reinforced with strong stitching at the corners with robust fabric, which gives the bag its durable feature. It features 2 side mesh pockets, while on the inside it has zippered mesh pockets for keeping your valuable items like cash, ID cards safe and hidden. The front flap pocket can organize keys and cards for easy access. The main pocket is roomy for all your daily necessities, such as phone, keys, money, cards, cosmetics and more. The PVC material is waterproof. This clear purse is also perfect for rainy days. Along with a wide carrying handle available, the bag features a removable shoulder strap which can be adjusted as well. They are attached to the bag via premium metal clips. Number 3. KUAK Extra Large Beach Bag. More photo and price on Amazon.co.uk. Do you keep cancelling your plans to go to the beach, just because you are dreading carrying so many small bags? Well, if yes, then it's time you start planning your beach day again, because, with the KUAK Beach Bag, you would just need to put everything in it and go. Crafted with polyester fabric and 100% water and sand-proof material, the bag offers tremendous space along with a cute printed design. The bag is designed with double zip closure, and the interior has a zippered pocket with 2 open pockets to store handy belongings. Additionally, it includes a waterproof pouch in which you can store your valuable belongings like phones, cash, and ID credit cards. The bag is supported with 2 stylish yet sturdy and comfortable rope handles, which are securely held into hoops. Zippered inner pocket and top zipper closure to keep your items safe. It's perfectly used for family time, leisure, voyage, pool party, picnic and more. It effortlessly doubles as a cruise bag, travel bag, sports bag, vacation bag, overnight bag, pool bag, gym bag, carry-on luggage handbag for the flight to store your laptop and other essentials. The thick bottom of the bag ensures an erect and sturdier shape, and the washable feature of the bag keeps it odor-free. Number 4. Nodykka Women's Tote. Nodykka's women's leather tote is the answer to budget-conscious travelers everywhere. This top-rated travel tote looks great, can carry all your travel must-haves, and won't break the bank in the process. Who says that women can't be stylish? With a women's Nodykka tote bag, you'll prove that fashion doesn't have to be restrictive. This tote bag is perfect for carrying your essentials, whether you're heading to the office or hitting the shopping mall. With its roomy interior and convenient shoulder strap, this bag is perfect for on the go. The women's tote is perfect for everyday use. This tote has a comfortable, roomy size that is perfect for carrying your belongings. The tote also includes a convenient shoulder strap for easy carrying. The bag is made of top-quality leather with pebble detail and reinforced stitching for added durability. Plus there's a whole range of colors to choose from. It's big enough to hold a 13-inch laptop or tablet, as well as a magazine, toiletries, sunglasses, a small camera, and any other necessities. The bag is also small enough to fit under the seat in front of you, which means it counts as a personal item tote bag with most airlines. Whether it's a spa break or a weekend strolling the banks of the River Seine, this bag will fit right in. And you can feel smug knowing you got a good deal in the process. Best for an affordable bag that doesn't sacrifice on durability or style. Colors. A range including black, blue, and brown. Number 5. Sunny Snowy Laptop Tote. If you like to keep up on emails while you're away, or can't imagine going without access to a streaming service for a week, then you need a way to carry your laptop on your travels. Laptop bags have become extremely popular in recent years as an easy and convenient way to transport a laptop. There are many different kinds of laptop totes, each with its own unique features. One of the most popular types of laptop totes is the Sunny Snowy Laptop Tote. This tote is made out of colorful fabric and has a zippered compartment on the front that can hold a laptop. 0.6 cm thick padded laptop layer with top elastic clasp. Keep the laptop separate from other items. Protect the laptop from impact, scratch. Sunny Snowy's laptop tote can hold a 15-inch laptop, or a tablet, inside a padded laptop sleeve with an elastic clasp. So no worries about it getting damaged or scratched. And the perks don't stop there. This travel tote with pockets has 2 large ones for books and documents and a zippered one for your phones and keys. So you can effortlessly maintain a professional level of the organization even after a red-eye flight. The bag is made of lightweight nylon and PU leather, hard-wearing, water-resistant, and can be wiped down to clean. Best for digital nomads or anyone who needs access to Netflix abroad. Colors. A range including blue, purple, and black.